Before I decorate anything at all, whether it is a room or an event, it is about how I prepare before I start. So once I get the idea in my head, sure that I check to see what I have. I didn't always pay attention to this part, but once I did, everything started to flow a lot better. I have a quick little story to tell you. It really changed all of this for me over the years. And I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but nevertheless, it is what keeps me grounded when I have an event. I remember many moons ago, I decorated a wedding, my very first wedding for a client. And that wedding, in terms of the decor, was a disaster. Grounded me in such a way, that experience, that I don't leave anything up to chance. The devil is in the details when it comes to event or decorating. Because guess what? If I do this really well, taking inventory of what I do have is what constitutes a 90% of my planning. I had gone out and selected the fabric that I needed to cover the trussing. Or because this one was a stretch fabric and it had some patterns on it that would really, just give a nice vibe to the event. And when we got to the location, the fabric could not be found. And this is the very first time that this was happening. And so it's part of the reason why I decided to do this video, because people will see a lot of the glitz and the glam when you show, but you really don't know what goes on behind the scenes. So when I went to my packing unit, I saw a small roll of fabric that was of the same colorway that like the piece that I bought for the trussing. And so I decided to just pick that up. I mean, I know about the fabric. I knew that it would be packed to go, but it didn't. And so I had a plan for the plan. The execution is very easy. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, it saved me a whole lot of stress. This particular system has served me over the years. I have collected a lot and I'm not trying to create more clutter. So I make sure that I do check my inventory first. And if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone, because my information is right here and I want to make sure that I stay on track. The next thing on the agenda that is really crucial is my packing and organization. And so I would tie my packing list to my quotation that I sent to the client. Once the idea is generated in my head about what design direction I'm going to be taking, everything goes on the list. It doesn't matter how small it is, it goes on the list. Every member of my team will have access to the packing list. If I'm not able to share the information with them, I make sure that I am on spot. But even with all of that, I'm going to tell you our recent situation. So we had this event, and I remember that I went to a bazaar and I purchased a fabric to cover the trussing. And I wanted the fabric on the trussing to be really nice. It was one of the colors, the accent colors in the color scheme. And so I had selected the fabric, packed up everything in one place, because that is another thing too. Everything must be one place when the truck comes to pick up. And my assistant picked up everything and the bag rolled on that table. She didn't see it. But needless to say, I had a plan for the plan, because prior to that, when I went to the storage unit to pick up the things to take to this location for everything to be packed, I saw a color that was very similar to the one that we're using on the trussing. Or maybe about a quarter roll of fabric, and I just picked it up and put it in my vehicle. Well, needless to say, the plan for the plan actually worked, because the fabric was nowhere inside when we got to the location. And this is the very, very first time that this was happening. And so it's part of the reason why I decided to do this video, because people will see a lot of the glitz and the glam when you show, but you really don't know what goes on behind the scenes. Instead of having 20 people who are clueless, who don't show initiative, who don't know what it is like to pivot, because sometimes when you're on the events in particular, you have to pivot. Sometimes things don't go according to how you plan. Your ability to recalibrate is what is important to me. So most of my team is what I would call mature, and I make no apology for that, because we come seasoned and experienced. And I'm not knocking the younger people, but if you know, you know. That is a whole job by itself. Sometimes when you take a lot of them on the road with you, prefer to just have 2 people. And I'm not kidding you. And we will get the job done, and done effectively and efficiently. Because at the end of the day, everything comes down to how you prepare. Being very, very intentional before you start. You're only as good as your last job. Think on these things.